Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, of course. Hindi ko naman talaga makukulat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. But anyway, kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%, of course. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, or feel free to check na lang yung aking YouTube, aking TikTok, Unipree, ayan, yung aking TikTok shop. Ayan, and then may bracelet akong available doon na pwede mong ma-avail kung gusto mong magpa-personal tarot reading, astrological reading, or palm reading mula sa akin. Mamimili ka kung alin doon sa tatlong gusto mo. But anyway, what do we have here for water sign? For water sign, please. Queen of Cups, Knight of Wands for your person. Para sa person mo, meron tayong dito yung Justice card, Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. Okay, yeah, you really do love this person. Nakikita natin, mahal mo siya, gusto mo siya. Gusto mo siya. Miss mo siya, or miss mo siya. With the Justice card, I feel like this person, some of you may marriage na involved. But anyway, with the Seven of Pentacles, ito ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit walang movement, bakit wala nangyayari, bakit may separation, bakit nakaka-stress tong connection na to, because might be of the status nitong person na ito. And although you really do love this person, pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang dapat ka maging cold dito sa person na ito. And you do have the Queen of Swords. So, yeah, although you miss this person, pwedeng pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo or mas pinipili mong i-cut off siya because of this. But I can see you still waiting. You're still waiting kasi nararamdaman mo yung pagiging at home dito sa taong ito. Like, ito yung nakikita mo na parang gusto mong magkaroon ng home or feeling mo mas maganda kung siya yung ka-relationship mo or ka-connect mo dahil magagawa mo yung purpose mo sa buhay with this person, or you can share like literally everything dito sa taong to kasi nandun yung close talaga kayo eh. So, maybe you are friends, yeah, and maaaring meron kang mga belief or mga pinaniniwalaan na noon masyadong limitado pero ngayon mas naging open yung especially dun sa mga subconscious or maybe may kinalamang spiritual. Kumbaga yung iba sa inyo maybe hindi ka naman talaga nanonood ng mga ganito dati. Hindi ka naman talaga naniniwala sa mga ganito ganyan, sa mga tarot, yung mga usaping spiritual. But then, nung nakilala mo tong taong to, ba't parang ganun? Ba't biglang parang na-interest ka na sa mga usaping mga mystical na bagay like death, ano tawag dito, yung rebirth, and also yung pagkabuhay ulit, or ano tawag doon, nakalimutan ko yung pinaka-word, ulyanin ako guys, but anyway, yeah, maybe before in the past, hindi ko sinabing ito, but example lang, maybe because of your religion, sa tradisyon, maybe ang pinaniniwalaan mo is that after you die, punta ka sa heaven or what, and ngayon parang naiba yung yung paniniwala mo, pwedeng naniwala ka na sa another life after death. So, so medyo nagkaroon ng ganon shifting because of this person, 'di ba? So, anyway, ano bang emotion mo dito sa taong to? Ano bang emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? For water sign, please. For water sign, please. I'm seeing the word party. So, pwedeng nakilala mo siya because nagkakilala kayo sa isang party or what? Or maybe there's mutual friends. Or maybe your friends. Pwedeng ganun. Anyway, take only what resonates. Okay. I will take this and this. You do have here the King of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Ito, kukunin ko lang to as additional message, the Three of Swords and the Hierophant. And then, person mo, emotion ng person na ito. Seven of Swords and the Strength card. One more. Okay. Hindi ko to kukunin. Masyadong marami. Just one more card for your person. The Nine of Cups. Okay. With the King of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, I feel like napipilitan kang itago ang emotion mo dito sa taong to. And it is something very beautiful. No? Napakaganda. Like, there's something mysterious about this person na nagugustuhan mo sa kanya. Especially sa spiritual connection ninyo. You love this kind of energy. Like, maybe you do love watching drama or what. Tapos yung mga ganitong kwento, napapanood mo na lang to sa palabas or sa TV, sa drama, sa mga K-drama, mga ganyan. Tapos parang nangyayari sa realidad ngayon, sa buhay mo. But anyway, the King of Wands, nakakita ko ng pag-iling-iling na lang sa'yo minsan. Kasi bakit gano'n? Parang ang hirap na naging connection ninyo nitong taong ito. Sobrang sakit. With the Hierophant and the Three of Swords, I feel like some of you pwedeng nasasaktan ka because there's a lot of lesson na itinuturo ang buhay sa'yo ngayon with regards sa connection ninyo. Some of you pwedeng may third party situation na involved. But anyway, hindi naman lahat. Pero yung iba, kasi with the Seven of Wands, parang someone is guarding, no? Nakagwardya. Gwardya sarado. So, parang ang hirap na isabuhay ang connection na ito, lalo na kung may gwardyang nakabantay sarado. And this person is, I feel like with the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Strength card, this person is causing a lot of pain. Pero, sa inyong dalawa, mas palaban tong taong to eh. Natatawa lang ako kasi umiiwas siya ngayon pero deep inside, alam niya lumalaban siya. Alam mo yun? Parang hindi ako papayag. Wait lang. Sige, iiwas ako ngayon kasi yun ang gusto mo. Pero time will come pag wala na limitasyon. I will be back. Oh, 'di ba? I shall return ang energy ng person mo. Babalik ako. Ngayon, ililet go kita kasi yan ang gusto mo, yan ang gusto nyo. Sige. Lalo na kung nasa side mo yung third person. Pero kung wala naman, maybe the energy is baka baliktaran. Na? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? For the sign of water sign. Marami to, pero I will take this. You do have here the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. Clarify the Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords, please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay, the Hermit and the Temperance. Gusto ko pa i-clarify ito. What's with the Nine of Swords? Nine of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Cups. What's with the Eight of Swords? This is the King of Cups and the Six of Swords. And you do have here the Devil at the bottom of the deck. Like, this is the main problem, yung Devil. And in the future, I can see you bantay sarado ka talaga, and high chance that you are in a third party situation and hindi ko nakikita nakakaalis ka dyan. There's this energy that you wanted to. Gusto mong umalis because maybe you're not happy. Pero with alam mo yung kanina ko pa nararamdaman sa feeling or sa energy mo na parang may kulang. But, may kulang sa'yo. Parang you're not happy with that relationship, with that marriage, with that partnership na meron ka ngayon. Pero parang you have no choice, nandito na ako, alangan naman. And the way I see this with the King of Cups, although mahal na mahal mo tong taong to, you're moving on with the Six of Swords sa connection ninyo. And with the Ace of Wands, you're focusing on new beginnings, or maybe sa kung ano man yung ano yung meron ka ngayon. And this would cause you a lot of pain and sorrow, pero parang wala kang choice kundi pigilan yung lungkot-lungkot at pain na yan. Parang wala kang choice. Your person with the Nine of Swords, nakikita natin na masakit para sa kanya. Because this person, gusto niya bumuo ng something sa'yo, like a family. Gusto niya bumuo ng pamilya sa'yo ng something sa inyong dalawa in the future. But with the Nine of Wands, medyo imposible talaga sa ngayon. And with the Knight of Pentacles, nagiging matagal ang connection na ito. Or naiinis siya sa'yo. Kasi parang ganun. Kasi ba't ang tagal mo? Ba't hindi ka gumawa ng action, etc., etc. And the main problem is the Devil. But with the Devil and the Judgment, I feel like marami ka talaga matututunan sa connection mo with that person na meron ka ngayon. And the Ace of Pentacles and the Five of Cups, there's a potential of a new beginning, pero pwedeng lumagpas ito sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Why? Kasi you're not ready. Hindi ka pa ready. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs. And yeah, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.